All right, folks, here we go. It's Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed the nice long holiday weekend. It's time to get rolling. Now, it is Easter Monday, so most of Europe and Asia are closed. Been a very quiet overnight session abroad as a result, where we're seeing some activity in the U.S. stock market. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ all up big. Why? Well, on Friday, which was the Good Friday holiday, we had the non-farm payroll, so the jobs report for the month of March. Expectation was March, we created just over 600,000 jobs. Report came out on Friday. We actually created over 900,000 jobs. Big beat. So this economy is starting to pick up some steam. As a result, markets trading higher. Dollar trading higher. Dollar yen creeping up on another high. Euro dollar seeing strength in the dollar with a 1.17 handle in the euro dollar. British pound 1.37. Jump over to oil. We talked about that OPEC meeting last week. OPEC comes out last week, says, well, you know what? Those production cuts we've had in place for the pandemic, we're going to start to ease back on those cuts. What are we seeing in oil? Seeing oil trade lower by nearly 2%. We're getting a lot of action in the markets. Holiday's over. We're going to get back into it this week. Hope you're all ready. Let's go get some, and I'll check in with you folks again